Hello and welcome to our bio page. John E. Johnson, the inventor of Ultimus Hygienic Personal Grooming Brushes, is a barber from Canton, Ohio. John currently has 2 patents within the health and beauty field and has taken additional steps in the manufacturing and marketing of his own hygienic brush lines. Growing up modest taught him hard work, and a dream is all it takes to start you on your way to fulfilling those dreams. Raised in a large family of barbers is what truly inspired Mr. Johnson early on as an adolescent. While attending the Ohio State School of Barbering and Cosmetology, John was able to observe the different forms of harmful microorganisms and how they were mostly spread through cumbersome to clean brushes. After acquiring the knowledge and skills to combat these infectious diseases is what inspired him to create a new, unique brush design that would solve the foregoing problems that brushes pose within the health and beauty industry. Observing the problems personal grooming brushes were causing, John was instrumental in implementing what he learned and developed his patented star-vented brush line with bristle guard cover. John's passion for inventing didn't stop there. He currently has multiple patent-pending statuses, all associated within the health and beauty field. John's effort to mandate his patented brush design in barbering and beauty schools keeps him striving for what's next. Not knowing what's around the corner, John welcomes change for the better and inspires to be a part of it. We hope you enjoyed the video and gained a better understanding of the Ultimus brush and its creator. Thanks again.